I'm going to demonstrate removing the fuser on a Brother color laser printer. It is an L8600cdw. So let's get going. Snap that hatch there. There are 3 screws I've already gotten loose here, here, and here. Let's get those loose. There's a clip here that's not very obvious. As a matter of fact, if you didn't know it was there, you'd probably miss it. Put that down and pop that out. Is the easiest way to get this cover off. This is an odd situation, is that this is trapped kind of underneath that, and this slides over and off to the right in this case. It's a little bit of a hat trick to get that bracket out. Don't want to damage anything, but there we go. All right, 2 more screws and a couple of connectors. 3 connectors to be total. This connector's over here. That screw up here. And the 115 volt power plug. And that's it, folks. Fuser's out.